hello, beautiful people out there. It is a absolutely stunning April day. Little snowstorm going on. And what goes better with that than homemade soup? Today, I should say, we are actually making a leftover soup. And I love to make soup. Soup is so fun. What we are starting with today is your basic soup startings. We've got our onion, our carrots, our celery, and just for fun, because I had it on hand, I'm going to use a little garlic, and I have ginger here. I don't know how the ginger is going to play in, but I had it, and I'm a believer in using what you have on hand. So just to get started, we're going to just throw all this into the pot here. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Not neatly, but we're going to throw it in. And we're going to saute this up for just a few minutes. And then I have some fun surprises to add for you. The ginger and the basil and oregano, oh, they smell so good. Just gotta let you know that. All right, my dears. So we have been sauteing our vegetables for about 5 minutes. And one point about soup that is so fun, whatever vegetable you have, whichever one you like, if you like beets, asparagus, it doesn't matter. Toss it in, saute it for about 5 minutes. I am making leftover soup today. I'm going to turn my heat down to 10. What I have here, this is leftover potatoes from the other night. One note, anytime you're out to eat, bring home the leftovers. Make soup out of it. We're going to toss in our leftover roasted potatoes. And then you wouldn't know what these are by looking at them, but these are amazingly roasted Brussels sprouts that I ordered. They're spicy, they're tasty. It was just way too much for me to eat. So I thought, I'm going to make some soup. So I'm going to toss in my leftover potatoes and my leftover Brussels sprouts. Oh, and I don't know what, I honestly couldn't tell you what spice they put in here, but it smells good. And we are just going to let that sit for a minute. And just for a minute. And then we're gonna toss in chicken broth. Also another note, if you can buy broth in bulk, do it. It comes in very, very handy, and it's a good way to stretch that dollar that we are all desperately so trying to hold on to. All right, so we have tossed in all of our vegetables, and we're just gonna let this sit, I don't know, let it come up to a slow boil, and then we'll see what happens next, because that's the fun of soup. It's a crapshoot. You never know what's going to happen. And I guess I will make a mental note here. Soup is fun. Cooking is fun. Don't ever be afraid to just throw something in the pot and see how it turns out. This is an experiment. I have a feeling it's going to be very, very tasty, but you never know. So I just don't ever be afraid to just experiment. Food is supposed to be fun and not intimidating. And you can make of it whatever you want. Okay, we'll be back to finish this up soon. So our soup here looks great just as it is. If you like a chunky style, go for it. I like a creamy soup, so I'm going to take 2 seconds. Do this. It's called an emulsion blender. Yeah. And all the emulsion blender does is it blends. I'm going to blend this a little more. We're going to have soup, as you can see, a huge pot of soup. So take it, freeze it, break it up, put it into different packs, freeze it, or bring it to friends. You can make soup out of anything, anytime, anywhere. I am wishing you a beautiful day, and I don't know. We'll see how this one goes. Bye. So maybe I said goodbye too soon. I wanted to show you. This is our finished product. Oh my goodness. This is our leftover Brussels sprout soup. I can only say that it smells absolutely divine. For fun, I'm gonna top mine with just a little bit of fresh tomato. Let's give her a whirl. Oh, yeah. I'm wishing you all a beautiful day. Period. Oh, it's really good soup.